everyone, my name is Nadica and I just finished second year of Pharmacy University. Ah, how exciting is that? Let me ask you several questions. Do you like helping others? Do you like giving advices? Do you want to have this huge knowledge about medical and scientific fields? And do you like experimenting? If most of your answers are yes, and on top of that, you want to try study abroad, hear me out. As I mentioned previously, I finished second year of university. I studied pharmacy specifically. And to be quite honest, I was searching a lot for a program that offered pharmacy in English language. Not every country offers that. So when I saw this, I had to grab the chance. And I know what you guys might be thinking. Pharmacy, it's so hard. And if you're interested about it, you might be feeling anxious and insecure and troubled with what you might do and how you might do it, and will you be able to actually finish it? I get you. I've been through that. Actually, I'm still kind of going through that. But let me tell you, whichever major you choose, you're gonna have some difficulty. Every major has its own difficulty, and the tip that I could give you for this is time management. You have to manage your time in order to get everything settled down and have some free time for yourself. For pharmacy specifically, I could say that the materials are easily accessible and pretty understandable. However, if you cannot understand anything, the professors are always willing to help. So you just have to contact them and they will help you with your questions, with problems, or even if you want to join some sort of activity regarding that specific subject or a project, you can tell them and it might work out somehow. I chose Pécs because I think it's really comfy, it's very welcoming, it's homecoming, and it just feels so safe. I know that you guys are afraid when you start considering studying abroad and whatnot. I was too, I'm not gonna lie. But you have to take the risk and the chance in order to get where you want to be. So, you know, if your dream doesn't scare you even just a little bit, is it even worth it? Thank you for watching this, and I encourage you to take that chance, fight with your fear, and get to your goals.